Hello, John Croner with Bullzeye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the market and Holly update for the day and the week ending Friday, May the 4th. Well, it's been quite a week here in the markets. Let's jump right in and take a look at it. We'll go through the dailies first and see how they look, and then we'll go back and look through the weeklies, and then we'll review Holly for the day and Holly for the week. So the Qs, the technology, you can see here we had a fantastic day. Now I've reworked the chart a little bit. I just have the 200-day moving average, SMA, and the 50. And you can see here we broke through the 50 and we maintained it. So I think it'll be important to stay above that on Monday and get some follow through. We have a bullish engulfing candle here. I don't know if it's a true one or not, but it's very, very close. And you can see here we just continue to gain all throughout the day. The diamonds, very, very nice day there too. But we are between the 200 and the 50. And you can see here the nice trend going up all day long. Spiders, definitely a bullish engulfing right between the 200 and the 50, and once again nice gains all day long. Didn't close at the high, but near the highs, so very, very good day. The Russell 2000, once again we've got the bullish engulfing candle here. We had the hammer candle here, so that is definitely a bullish sign, and we are above the 200 and above the 50. And once again, you can see we came up real nice all day. Little sell-off at the end of the day, which some people taking some profits on what they made, I'm sure. And the IBB, another bullish engulfing candle. Nice day, but still well below the 50 and the 200. And you can see here a little more chop in that than in the others. And GLD, we kind of gapped down and then bounced all around and closed up a little bit for the day. And TLT, you can see here, have pretty much a hammer candle, and we'll just see what happens with it. But it came down and then increased back up. Now let's go ahead and bring my weekly chart in here that I use with the Thinkorswim, and we'll go through them real fast and see how we did. We'll try to go ahead and we'll start with the diamonds. And you can see here for the weekly, we actually have back-to-back hammer candles. We're above the 50 and the 200 here. I'm sorry, this is the 20 here. The 200 is way down here. So on the weekly, we ended up losing a little bit for the week. The spiders, a big hammer candle. We came all the way back to the 50 and we bounced real nice, but technically we have a bearish engulfing candle. So if we break these lows way down here at the 259.25 mark, that will signal definitely a bearish move, but we've been all over the place. So as always, we're going to have to just see what happens next week. The Qs, showing some strength here, and we'll bring this down a little bit, and you can see here we have the 200 down here, the 50, and we actually closed above the 200. We have, it is not a bullish engulfing candle, but definitely some strength there. The IWM, we have a pretty good bottoming tail there, pulled back, but closed up for the week, so a little bit good there. Now the IBB, we pulled back, but we did bounce off of that 200, and actually we're resting right on it. We broke through it and came back up to it. So probably out of all the ones we watch, this is the one that's in the most trouble. Will definitely be one to watch next week. GLD, you can see here we have the doji candle bounced off the 50, still underneath the 20, and the TLT, kind of got the doji candle as well. So that's where we are with that. Now, we talk about Holly all the time, and Holly is the artificial intelligence designed by Trade Ideas. And she goes through every night and hones her skills and refines her strategies and comes up with ideas for us to trade. So let's get in and take a look at how she did today. And her profit today was $1.61. You can see here she brought a nice mix of strategies to the table. She used just over half of them. Only one short strategy did she use. It was mostly a long day. You can see here she only had one short trade. If we look at the long trades, we've got to pull this way down here to see those. And I'll go ahead and bring my Excel spreadsheet in to go over it there. That gives us a good good look at things. One short trade for a profit of a penny. She had 27 long trades for a profit of $1.60, and her risk on profit was $2.23. So total profit of $1.61. So she had a very, very nice day there. And we'll go ahead and just click right over and look at the whole week. See how she did. 27 short trades for a profit of $4.71, but the risk on profit was a loss of 14 cents. So to me, that shows you just how volatile this market was throughout the week. The long side, 47 trades, $1.15 profit, $4.23 risk on profit. And here's my little tally sheet here. So for the week, there's the same 27 trades, 47 long. And for the week, she made $5.86 profit and risk on profit $409.74 total trade. So Holly had a very, very nice week. I think she just did fantastic. Now, once again, if you've been following us and you like some of this software we're using and Holly, I invite you to go ahead and try out our plans. We have a monthly plan and we have a yearly plan. You can get the yearly for as low as $2.90 a day. With the standard plan, the premium plan, just $6.20 a day. And if you use Bullzeye 15, it'll save you 15% on your first month or your first year. If you're not sure, try it out for a month. You can always change it over to a yearly plan after that and save the money. Here is a link that you can use to go ahead and get to it. I will go ahead and put that in the YouTube video comments so you can just copy and paste it. And I welcome you to do that. And I want to thank you for your time today. And remind you to follow our blog at bullzeyetrader.com. Like us on Facebook, Twitter, StockTwits. If you would for me, go ahead, hit this thumbs up video. And then down below here, if this is the first time you're seeing these videos and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And that way you'll be notified every time I post a video. Hey, I want to thank you very much, and God bless.